standing at the start suggests we already sense a troublemaker will appear this episode.
I mean, I feel like something's burning.
Yeah, kind of. Are we doing this?
Yeah, we need to open this.
The weirdest toasts in the world. We won't put anything weird inside the toasts. We'll just replace the toast bread with something else. And the filling will be yellow cheese and ham.
Because we always used to put something weird inside, but this time we decided to do the opposite to ourselves.
And I, my dear friends, instead of bread, we'll use a croissant, and I took some vegetables to make it healthy, but actually, it's a beef burger.
Did you read it? Burger à la.
No, what do you mean beef? I'm talking about vegetables. I say beef burger. A la beef. I meant, it's fake. It was supposed to be beef back then. Team you.
I've got pancakes. Beautiful. So for the second one, I'll need to try harder, since I have to cut pierogi and make them into little toasts.
I think the topic will be simple. Wow, croissant cacao.
Weren't they curved? Have they always been this straight? Here's cranberry. What's with it?
I don't know.
I don't think so.
We're all gonna shit ourselves here together.
Wait, stop. We need to go one at a time since he'll have the camera here and I'll be here. One at a time.
So wait, I'm doing something else. Just one. I'm doing something else. Let's see if the ham is aromatic. Well, I like it. Let's take one slice. I'm taking the ham. It's aromatic.
It's aromatic.
I'm adding the yellow cheese.
No, cut it in half. Why is there so much left?
It'll get pressed in here.
Cutting it in half gives you two neat halves pressed together.
But something might spill out. This chocolate or...
Whatever spills out.
Look, it's so... Jesus, this is a perfect flood.
Because it's soft, right?
Did you see that, Kuba?
7 days and it's soft. All right, I won't cut it in half because there's no point. Give me the ham.
The ham? Look, I'll do it.
One like this. Ah, yes, good.
Ah, so you make a little mound.
It will be nice here.
Ah, how do you do that?
It's without sense, but that's what I did. All right, let's put it in. Oh, damn.
Good. Beautiful. Slowly.
There it is, also soft.
I'm taking it, yes.
Here's the question. Do you make 2 burgers or just cut one in half?
If I wanted to make it from one, I would have bought one.
All right, I'll make this one. Look, a dumpling with meat.
Then he'll wait for the second one.
But I'll add some onion. Since it's here,
How did you come up with that?
there's a dumpling, right? Yeah, there's a dumpling. And like this, here. I'll poke it like this.
So this is the middle, and these are the top and bottom, right?
This is the top and bottom.
He's being taken care of. I don't even understand what he said. I mean, this is the bottom, this is the top.
Yeah, but I need to make more since one isn't enough for even a bite.
Hey, I didn't keep track of the time.
But how do you measure the time? Each will differ.
Are you going to forbid me from keeping track of time?
Yes, I will forbid it.
All right, then I won't keep track.
I'm slicing the ham so it stays even, not tearing it.
You're making such small toasts.
Yeah. God, but pierogi aren't as big as yours.
You're making pierogi instead of a little toast? I'll still be here.
So be here. Be here. Oh, damn, the chocolate spilled. Ah, there it is, a scream. This will be a good episode, but shh.
Slippery. I mean, where it's slippery, but hot.
Jesus, Mary, pierogi will win all.
You think so?
Well, I know.
All right, got it. Kuba, I'm on it.
Oh, I don't have anything here. Wait, I forgot.
But it will be good.
And this is already done.
But it will be...
Already done. Okay, Pancake, that's enough. Konotu. Oh, you're kind of soft. I was kind of hoping you'd get harder. You'll man up. Nope. Watch out, spit coming.
I've got chocolate here.
So what?
Oh, there's more. Jesus, what a delicious bar.
Hey, because now those little kids.
A gentle close. But bar, you are Sigma Sigma boy. Sigma boy, Sigma boy. Before we start testing these weird combinations and searching for wobabin, you already have several dozen wobabins handed to you on a platter. What's it about? Listen, if you think you've eaten everything, it means you haven't had wobabin in your hands yet. This is our wild ebook featuring recipes that have been popular on the channel for years. Cooking pasta and wine, dessert with sauerkraut, liqueur made from sesame snacks. You just have to try this. Wobabin is a culinary roller coaster, but now you can play the role of mini stuntman yourself, and all for the price of one kebab on thin bread. A kebab is just a moment, but here every page is a new culinary adventure.
But no, we have to eat, so something gets done there, because if we keep talking, it'll burn since we'll get carried away chatting.
Look how it's turning out.
How does fat come from something plant-based? Oh. No, I know. Hey, here. It's growing. I want to drop out and leave. Watch out, I'm opening Roman to see what's happening. Whoa. Oh.
Mine will take a long time.
Honestly, I'll even stand up.
Yeah, stop it. You broke the system.
It's even easier to pull out. It's not a disaster.
No, when I make these for the kids from Ready Made Ones, they go crazy for them. You bring in 7 days.
It was soft, now it'll be crunchy.
Is this for the boys?
No, I see more chocolate, but he had that filling. He did. He had that filling.
He had that filling.
But wait, chocolate or chocolate cream with yellow cheese, good combination. It fits. But I can taste the cheese right away. It's nice. It attracts.
It's delicately crunchy, but something turned a bit bitter. The chocolate became bitter.
On the outside, it looks like it's super crunchy, but it's actually more crumbly. Not crunchy, crumbly. It's a crumbly cookie.
I'm shocked. It's delicate. Soft, almost as if it isn't even there.
I taste the cheese, chocolate, and cookie, but not the ham, as if it was supposed to.
But that's cool. That's good. You defined it. She didn't bend. But that could work.
I think maybe a little less time in the toaster, 2 slices of ham, and it's fine.
This, I'm sure now. Croissant, but not 7 days. One from the pharmacy.
Oh, damn!
This isn't from the pharmacy, but from
Sugar bakery or pastry shop? No.
sugar, bakery, or pastry,
Bakery?
or baked goods.
The idea is great, but maybe not with 7 days. I just don't believe it. I was here in the store, right? I look at them and think, nice, they look good. I expected it to be cool, but now I think it's the worst one, yet it's awesome.
Bro, what does that remind you of? It even tasted like ham. No way, just ham, no cheese.
So you're saying the pancake tastes like ham, but there's no ham texture, just the flavor in the pancake. Oh, I thought I made a mistake. I took those pancakes, but if I had taken, this is made from potatoes.
Potato pancakes.
Potato pancakes. All right, this is good, but I think it would be even better with potato pancakes. No, but
But we rated it.
mistake. We're going back, sorry.
We're going back. Sorry, we forgot about the rating.
I give 6.
6. I give 6.
6.
7, 8, 8.
That will be checked.
Here I give 7, though I'm not sure why, since I need...
I'll give 6 because I keep seeing those potato pancakes.
You can't judge just by seeing potato pancakes, even the better ones.
It's 7. It's better, but not 8, 7.
Yes, but you need to work on it. Frying it a bit more is fine.
He farted.
Hey, we forgot about the meat dumplings. Yeah.
The dumpling fights till the end because I almost want to take everything over, but the inside is messed up.
It's like a puzzle.
I thought it was stand-up, a puzzle.
Attention.
Attention. A heart attack? That's all that happens at this age.
A stroke.
Hey,
Wipe your forehead.
it's this way.
Calm down, just relax. That's how it would have ended.
Foreheads.
Grandma, this is amazing.
And you don't need to cook them or use a pan, right?
Unbelievable, Staba. You broke it.
But with?
They're delicious with meat.
I think these are the dumplings you meant, since you said you buy and make them yourself because they're good. I didn't want to get just any kind. I remembered you mentioned these.
The meat is warm, tender, and the skin is crispy.
Pierogi Premium. It's 10.
Hey, Shaba, since this is just a discussion, is it a 9 or 10?
Like, somewhere in between, right?
9.5.
Because there's just one thing missing here, really. Some kind of delicate sauce. So you could pick it up and maybe dip it in some sour cream or something. So it's just somewhere between 9 and 10, simply.
It's brilliant. Are there combinations like this in our book? That's exactly what they are.
Exactly, since these are unexpected things you can buy anywhere.
That's exactly what they are. Simple, surprising, and mind-blowing.
Because you said rye bread, but from the side, it's a bit red. It looks like it's tartare.
We'll make it look nice for the guys.
Then don't cut it, no. Oh, the crofts from...
I'll allow myself, because we'll trick them. Do you know what I mean?
Well, it looks like bread.
Let's eat the end piece.
If I didn't know, I could even say this is some kind of bread.
This is salty.
There's nothing plant-based.
No way. More like wheat. Yeah, that's 100% wheat. That smells like good food, not that I...
It smells like you just took a brownie out of the oven, and that's how it smells.
No.
It's like you've always eaten sweet cakes, then discover a savory cake that's also delicious.
Staba said it has a wheaty taste. The toasts are usually wheaty and fit perfectly. This is normally something for toast, but it's deeper, like multi-flavored.
This is a combination of toast and cake.
And with vegetables. There's no ham at all.
Did you notice? Maybe it does give that vibe.
The taste. The point is, this is what we're looking for again. Damn, is it really that good? This is the Topo System format. It's not a low-dimensional, unconnected mix of ingredients. Like when I eat something and feel each one separately and we say something, it all came together as a whole. I admit it's a solid 9. I don't know why not a 10. Because you said one thing. This is better than... That would be cool. That would be awesome. This is really cool. This is cool.
Like, I see 4 here that could deserve a place in the book. Pierogi and burger.
All right? I agree with you.
Because it's missing here is more for kids, isn't it?
You've already fallen for the propaganda. Now even a toast without a burger and everything.
I don't know what to call it. A burger, a toast?
Let's get him a million stuntmen and see if they prove your point. Krzysztof, Primoz.
We're here, dear ones.
And you, Primoz, I don't recognize you. Black, it's always something, colorful.
Because I'm testing today.
What, are these our future?
Yes.
Yes. You see, what a black man.
What size are you?
No, actually L, but I think I need M. But I'll say L. Well, but we changed the sizes.
Because the rest will blow your mind, and things will blow your mind.
In other words, it smells like a pastry shop here. Yep. Like a croissant, but an old one.
We made sandwiches and toasts. Let us know in the comments. Sandwiches, toasts, pressed sandwiches, what do you call them? Pressed sandwiches?
Yes, toasts.
And I say sandwich. I'm explaining to you what an episode. We removed the bread, kept the cheese and ham, and used a different topping.
Come on, that's clearly bread.
Hey, this is weird, you know. Do you get it?
And I thought you just stuffed it with something weird.
No, because we used to do that.
Exactly.
And now we do the opposite.
We unfold it.
Did this become a lid from that? Not bad.
Alit.
Well, I mean this. How did it come to be?
Well, a shield, I guess. I don't know.
Oh, well, I just drank mana and increased the cover. You have to, and it's not hot inside anymore. You remember there's cheese and ham inside, right?
I already know what it is. Awesome. This is from 7 Days. Here you go. That's from 7 Days. I never would have guessed. Brilliant, but it looks like surimi to me. Well,
I can tell this will be delicious. It may not be as hot as us, but maybe. We're hot guys.
all right, so it's just stuffed with something.
Because it's a toast. Yeah, a toast with pierogi.
With meat too?
Yes.
Oh, damn. Fucking awesome, not good.
Pulled out straight, just straight, without anything.
Awesome, brilliant. Making pierogi in a toaster at all.
No, gentlemen, let's forget about rating dish number 1. Yes.
I honestly liked it. I would give it an 8.5. 9?
Oh, very good.
I love them. I really love meat dumplings. And in this version, I can even say that out loud. For me, it's... Oh.
All right. Next. Oh, wait. Oh.
I'm getting more and more curious.
Here's some ham.
I can't tell what it is at first glance.
Here's a pancake.
But they're sinking a nice set. That's the second one. This is Maria. There's a pancake. And the other thing. Fritter, pancake, fritter, fritter.
Pancake.
Fritter. It's like a plastic version. A fritter like that is basically a pancake.
Here, the sweetness somewhat clashes with the savoriness.
Yeah, well, savory. But didn't you see this is the only one with ham?
Can you taste the ham? To me, this is a very American dish, so I'd expect maple syrup on it, but I don't like syrup.
But ours added it. Oh, no. Tasty. This episode blows my mind. It's such a good combination.
I confidently rated an 8.
Now it's time for the whole wheat one. They're guessing. All right, they've already heard.
Half by the picture or half by what I heard. Mercedes, half and half. Albi or Baco, I don't know. Griba.
Okay.
I don't know.
Such silence. It's heavy. This is a heavy topic. Was it? Yeah.
But you know what? I have no idea what's inside or outside.
I know this. This is a veggie burger patty that tastes like meat, right?
I don't know.
What a guy. Veggie burger patty.
It would be veggie.
And why are you so well known?
He saw from the back, observed the purchase and the invoice.
I ate it.
And once again,
I knew you would want to.
I can say that the vegetarian option holds up. Wait.
Cheese, ham, vegetables, seasoned.
I'll tell you. If I don't eat vegetarian products, I think I'll start.
Today you outdid yourselves. I think all these recipes could be in our book.
Great episode. Can't wait.
I like these. I like when you don't wear us out. Ha ha ha.
In the second one, I have something different. The king of the episode 2, you said it and I did too. You are.
I'm already speaking, but I want to prove something to you.
King and queen. King and queen.
Well, for me, Pierogi is the king, the queen.
Because Piotr make it 7 days. Yes, don't go, I agree. All right. So for me, the king is Pierogi and the princess is 7 days.
We know everything. Watch it. Book links are below the video. Thanks for today. There will be more. This is awesome. We're making this a series and turning everything into a toast. I just regret we didn't make one for Kuba since he loves toasts, right?
Oh, Kuba, there's still one left.
Bye.
Not anymore.